Hi everyone, so welcome to the class. So today we talk about basic signals and elementary signals. This is a very important topic in the first unit. మనకు ఎగ్జామ్లో కూడా మనకు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి మనకు 2 మార్క్స్ కానీ లేదు అంటే 5 మార్క్స్కి 10 మార్క్స్కి కూడా అడిగే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. సో 2 మార్క్స్ అడిగినప్పుడు మనకి ఏవైనా 2 సిగ్నల్స్ ఇచ్చి డిఫైన్ చేయమంటాడు. అదే 5 మార్క్స్కి ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఒక 3-4 సిగ్నల్స్ ఇచ్చి విత్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ విత్ వేవ్ ఫార్మ్స్ తోటి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయమని అడుగుతూ ఉంటాడు. 10 మార్క్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనం మినిమం ఒక 6, 5, 6, 7 వరకు వైట్ వరకు ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ డిఫైన్ చేసి వేవ్ ఫార్మ్స్ డ్రా చేసి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో నౌ వి టాక్ అబౌట్ బేసిక్ సిగ్నల్స్. సో మన బేసిక్ సిగ్నల్స్ ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసి స్టెప్ ఫంక్షన్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ స్టెప్ ఫంక్షన్? సో మనకి ఇక్కడ ఈ స్టెప్ ఫంక్షన్లో వీ హ్యావ్ టూ మేజర్ టైప్స్ ఉంటాయి. మనం ఈ స్టెప్ ఫంక్షన్ని డిఫైన్ 2 ways. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ కంటిన్యూస్ టైం సిగ్నల్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేయాలి, డిస్క్రీట్ టైం సిగ్నల్లో రిప్రజెంట్ చేయాలి. ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కూడా మనం స్టెప్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు దాన్ని కంటిన్యూస్ టైం సిగ్నల్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేయాలి, డిస్క్రీట్ టైంలో డిఫైన్ చేయాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కంటిన్యూస్ టైంలో డిఫైన్ చేయాలంటే సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద కండిషన్ ఆఫ్ స్టెప్ ఫంక్షన్? సో మనం u of t is equal to 1 for t greater than equal to 0. Okay, 0 for otherwise or 0 for t less than 0. This is continuous time signal step function definition. The same way in discrete law ila define chestamante u of n equal to 1 for n greater than equal to 0, 0 for n less than 0. Okay, so step function defined in continuous and discrete. Okay, now we have to implement the graphical. So now we can graphical man define cheyali. So step function ante ila define chesamante so continuous time signal ante enti మన definition మనకు ప్రతి amplitude అంటే every amplitude depends on the every time. అంటే ఏమవుతుందంటే సిగ్నల్ అనేది కంటిన్యూస్ గా టైం తో వేరీ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ కంటిన్యూస్ టైం సిగ్నల్. డిస్క్రీట్ టైం సిగ్నల్ అయితే ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఇక్కడ అది పర్టికులర్ ఇన్స్టెంట్ ఆఫ్ టైం అంటే ఒక ఎవ్రీ యాంప్లిట్యూడ్ అనేది డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ది ఎవ్రీ టైం. ఓకే, సో నౌ వి డిఫైన్ కంటిన్యూస్ టైం సిగ్నల్ కంటిన్యూస్. సో u of t, సో డెఫినేషన్ ఏంటంటే స్టెప్ ఫంక్షన్ లో ఇఫ్ t greater equal to 0 the amplitude is existing at right side from 0 to t, that is called continuous time signal. This is a continuous means this amplitude continuously vary with time only, that is called continuous step function. Similarly in discrete time signal u of n is the y-axis and x-axis is the n. N is the discrete indication, t is the continuous indication. So in this discrete time the amplitude depends on the particular instant of time 0 and this amplitude depends on the t1 and t2 and so on. So this is called step function discrete time signal. Okay, this is a definition of step function continuous and discrete. Okay, so now we talk about ramp function. So ramp function, so in ramp function also we define the 2 types. First one is continuous, second one is discrete. Continuous and discrete. What is the continuous? What is the definition of ramp function? The continuous. So now r of t is the ramp function equal to t for t greater than equal to 0 and 0 for t less than 0. It is called continuous. Now coming to discrete, r of n is equal to n for n greater than equal to 0, 0 for n less than 0. It is called ramp function. ఓకే, అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే t greater than equal to 0 అయినప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఈ r of t అంటే ర్యాంప్ ఫంక్షన్ అనేది లీనియర్లీ గ్రోయింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ 0 to some value. Okay, now we'll see in the graphically r of t as a y-axis, t is the x-axis. So t greater than equal to 0 means the signal is linearly growing from 0 to somewhere. That is called ramp function, like a straight line. Okay. In discrete, we can define a discrete instant of times. So r of n equal to, we have to define discrete instant of times. That is called ramp function. This is the definition of ramp function. Okay. So in ramp function can be obtained by applying step function and integrating step function. Integrating step function, we get ramp function. Means we get ramp. So u of t is equal to 1 means integrating 1 dt, we can write t. So t means ramp function. So integrating of integrating of step function become ramp function. So differentiating of ramp function equal to step function. That is a relation between ramp and step function. Okay. So now again, now we talk about impulse function. Now we talk about impulse function. So what is the condition of impulse function? What is the condition of impulse function? So in this function also we have defined two ways. First one is a continuous time and discrete time. In a continuous, what is the condition of impulse function? Del of t is equal to 1 for t equal to 0, and discrete del of n equal to 1 for n equal to 0. Now we can define in graphically. In continuous time signal, if t is equal to 0, the amplitude is become 1. In that is called impulse in continuous time signal. So remaining are zeros, positive and 0 and negative also 0. That is called ramp function in continuous. And similarly, a defined discrete time signal, n is equal to 0, the amplitude is become 1. That is called discrete time signal. So in in impulse function, continuous and discrete, similarly same shape, but the indication is different. In in discrete time signal, we have to draw in bubble. This way is called discrete impulse. This is called impulse continuous. Okay. Now we talk about parabolic function. Parabolic function. So what is the condition of parabolic function? Condition is p of t equal to t square by 2 for t greater than equal to 0, 0 for t less than 0. It is called continuous time signal. The same way in discrete, p of n is equal to n square by 2 for n less than equal to 0, n greater than equal to 0, 0 for n less than 0. It is called discrete time signal. Now we have to define the graphically. The signal is look like that is called parabolic signal, p of t. In discrete, we can define discrete instant of times. This is called discrete parabolic function. Okay, this is a definition of continuous parabolic, discrete parabolic. Okay, now we have some relation in ramp function. And what is the relation of ramp function and parabolic function? So integrating of ramp function is called, parabolic function. It is called t square by 2. It is called parabolic. So differentiate of ramp function, different derivative of parabolic function, that is called that is called ramp function. That is the relation between parabolic and ramp function. Okay. So now talk about another signal, sigma function. Sigma function. Signum function. What is the condition of sigma function? The sigma function of t equal to 1 for t greater than equal to 0, minus 1 for t less than equal to 0. It is called continuous. And now talk about discrete. Sigma function of n equal to 1 for n greater than equal to 0, minus 1 for n less than equal to 0. That is called discrete time signal. Right? Now define graphically. So if t greater than equal to 0, the amplitudes become 1 from 0 to t at right side, and if t less than equal to 0, the amplitude is existing negative side. That is called sigma function. In similarly, in discrete time signal, if n equal to greater than equal to 0, the amplitude become 1 from positive side to positive side. But we have to change the shape. In discrete time signal, we have to define the amplitude is discrete instant of times. Okay, the same way in negative side also we have to define. This is called sigma function in discrete signal. We have some relation, step function, sigma function. Sigma function of t equal to 2 into e of t minus 1. This is a relation between sigma function and step function. Okay, this is also very important basic signals in exam point of view. But exam matram we have to define over 10, 5, 6, 7 signals with graphically. Okay, thank you.